Hey YouTubers, thanks for tuning in to watch Bad Gas Productions. I'm Rod Keogh and I am pumped to be able to bring you our first official episode. So our first project is a 1981 TransAm that we call the Phoenix. This car needed some love, but with all our hard work, we're hoping to get it back on the road where it should be. So with having said that, let's go in our shop and have a look. Alright, so this is our shop. It's a nice our little space to work on our projects right now. This is just us being together and doing stuff that we love.
Hey Rod, what you doing, man?
What's going on, right, man?
You filming some car?
Yeah, we're filming some car today.
Talking to YouTube, are you?
Yeah.
Hey YouTube. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Rod's here shooting some film of the car. What are you telling them?
Just introducing them to the car and the project and what we've been doing. So, we've been working on this project now for 3 months now. It's come a long way. The car used to be all together, so it's been stripped down.
There was a point in time when this thing rolled. It actually even ran when we brought it here.
Yeah, it did.
And, you know, here's where it sits today. A skeleton for the most part.
Yeah. So we started off originally. We're new to this, of course, and some of the footage we kind of got. It never worked out so well, but we have a lot of footage of this on other videos to come of how we got here, and so what do you think?
Oh, I think that's a really good point.
Yeah.
We have tons and tons of footage. 3 months into this, we're pumped. We're going to bring you a bunch of new episodes shortly, and hope you enjoy them. So yeah, as an example of being new YouTubers, we shot a whole bunch of intro video with Jason, and it has no audio.
No.
So what do?
Wing it.
Wing it? Yeah. You know, we're just normal guys doing this. This isn't what we do for a living. It's our evenings and weekends and really just spending time with our buddies. So I think what we'll do is we'll cut in some historic video of the first day we brought it home, and we'll walk you through the car and show you where it started and try to give you an idea of how it got to here. All right, fellas, it's Sully and Mark and Andrew in the back there, and we're showing up at our location here to pick up our new toy. Let's go see what it is.
So we finally got to the place that we originally bought the car. Got the car all geared up and on the trailer. She gave us a little bit of a hard time where her brakes were a little stuck, but she did manage to get on there eventually. Finally got her back to our place where we give her a little bit of a bath. She's covered in a little bit of dust, but started to look a little decent.
I don't know what's under the hood. I guess we're gonna have to sand it and find out. I think it was just sprayed to cover up something, but the fenders have been done. This door skin's already been done. This quarter's already been done. It's had a brand new quarter put on it. I'm not sure why he left the bolts there, but he did. This quarter's gonna need a little bit of love down here. She's not quite so straight. Looks like it was hit right there and pushed in a little bit. And And this is one of our worst spots. This door, which we might try to repair, but we're either looking for a used one or a door skin, I'm not sure which. And there's a little ripple in the roof right there. I need a little bit of love, but this is her. Pardon my fingers. Full rally dash. This is a 1981 car. The deluxe interior. Deluxe dirty interior right now. I believe it came originally with a 5-liter in it. It should be a 305. Someone got happy and a little overzealous cutting the front coils, and now they're sitting on the bump stops, so I think we're going to have to address that, obviously. It is a WS6 car. Let's have the 4-wheel disc with the posi and the gutter shocks. Should be a lot of fun.
Here we go again, back on the winch, backwards this time. Going back up on our 4-post hoist, where we'll start to take her all apart.
Alright guys, it's Sully again. Got the car in the shop. Got it on the lift. It actually looks pretty good on the underneath. We'll do another little shot of that later. Today's goal is to get the front clip off. We've already gone through the inside, how much of a pigsty it is and what's here and what's not here and that sort of thing. With a little crusty issue there that someone tried to dough up at one time. We're going to have to figure that out. And here's a surprise. Somebody already put a 5.3 in there. It's a decent 5.3 with 706 heads. Got a big fancy oil pan, remote oil filter on it already. It's got shorty headers on it, hookers, that may or may not get used. I'm hoping not, but we'll see how it goes from there. But there's the hood. Like I said, someone's already started doing some of the work. Under the hood's been painted. All the fenders have been painted, and the wheel houses have been painted, but they're a mess. Yeah, that's about it. Actually, the car ran. He had a video of it firing and running for us. So unfortunately, the training lines weren't hooked up, so we couldn't run it again, or it would puke all over the place. It is a turbo 350 car. Yeah, some new stuff down there. Unfortunately, he went and painted over the old tie rod ends and gummed the threads all up, so that'll have to come apart and be cleaned again. A lot of make pretty stuff. But anyhow, we'll get to it. Yeah, we'll get a video on that eventually too. All right, talk to you soon.
Oh, here's some pre-video of the engine running. Looks good, sounds good, pretty pumped. Like I said, we're gonna take it all apart anyways, go through it all. That's gonna be on another video. But like I said, if we added anything else to the engine, maybe comment in the comments below to see what you would like to see underneath the hood added to this. See what we can do.
Hey guys, it's Corey from Bad Gas Productions. If you like this video, hit that like button so we can continue to provide you with the content that you want to see. And be sure to hit that subscribe and notify so you can stay up to date with the most current Bad Gas Productions content. From the crew here at Bad Gas, pedal down and hands on the wheel.